Join me as I challenge myself to perfect my morning skincare routine in just 10 minutes for that natural glow. Welcome back to Healthy Channel, your path to a happier, healthier you. Let's dive in. When it comes to skincare, I know we've all been there. Waking up with dull, dry skin that just doesn't feel like it's living its best life. But what if I told you that with just 10 minutes of your morning, you can achieve that coveted natural glow that makes you look and feel like $1,000,000? Sounds too good to be true, I know. But trust me, it's not. We've all had those mornings where we wake up looking like we've been put through a wringer. Puffy eyes, dry skin, and a general air of fatigue. It's like our skin is crying out for help, begging us to do something, anything, to bring back that radiant glow we once had. And that's exactly what today's video is all about. Sharing with you my ultimate morning skincare routine that's specifically designed to tackle those pesky morning skincare issues and leave you looking like a radiant, glowing goddess. One of the biggest mistakes we make in the morning is rushing our skincare routine. We're so busy getting ready for the day, checking our phones, responding to messages, that we often sacrifice the most important part of our daily routine, taking care of our skin. And that's where the problems start. When we rush, we tend to skip important steps, use the wrong products, and before we know it, our skin is paying the price. So what are some of the most common morning skincare issues we face? Well, for starters, there's dullness, that lackluster complexion that makes us look tired and sluggish. Then there's dryness, that tight, uncomfortable feeling that leaves our skin feeling like the Sahara Desert. And let's not forget about clogged pores, blackheads, and acne, the ultimate skincare trifecta of doom. Okay, so now that we've talked about the problems, let's dive into the solution. My ultimate morning skincare routine that's guaranteed to give you that natural glow in just 10 minutes. First up, we have cleansing. This is the most crucial step in your skincare routine, as it sets the tone for the rest of your products. I'm using a gentle, non-foaming cleanser that's specifically designed to remove dirt and impurities without stripping my skin of its natural oils. Next up, we have toning. This is where most people tend to get it wrong, using a harsh toner that dries out their skin even further. But not today. I'm using a pH-balanced toner that's infused with soothing aloe vera and witch hazel to gently remove any remaining impurities and balance out my skin's pH levels. Now it's time for moisturizing, the most exciting part of the routine if you ask me. I'm using a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that's packed with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C to deliver long-lasting hydration and brightening benefits. And the best part, it absorbs in seconds, leaving my skin feeling soft, smooth, and supple. Finally, we have sunscreen, the most neglected step in most people's skincare routines. I'm using a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 that's lightweight, non-greasy, and perfect for daily use. Trust me, this is the game changer that will make all the difference in your skincare journey. It's all about facial massage. That's right, just 30 seconds of gentle upward strokes can increase blood flow, boost collagen production, and leave your skin looking brighter, smoother, and more radiant. And if that wasn't enough, I'm also using a facial serum that's packed with active ingredients like retinol and niacinamide to target fine lines, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation. This is the secret sauce that's going to give you that elusive natural glow. So there you have it. My ultimate morning skincare routine that's guaranteed to give you that coveted natural glow in just 10 minutes. Remember, the key is consistency, so make sure to stick to your routine morning and night for the best results. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any favorite skincare tips or tricks, leave them in the comments below. And if you want more beauty advice, be sure to check out my other videos for the latest skincare and health videos.